Welcome to our step-by-step installation guide. In this video, you will learn how to install the Akupanels directly on your wall. For the installation, you will need the following: a tape measure or a ruler to achieve accurate measurements, a pencil for precise markings, an electric screwdriver. You will also need black drywall screws of 30mm, a circular saw in case you need to adjust the length of the panels. A crosscut can also be used if you are careful. For mounting the end lamellas, you will use glue and a caulking gun. A craft knife in case you need to adjust the width of the panels. Let's get started. Remove any obstacles from the wall and make sure that it's clean and level. Next will be marking where we want to place your panels on your surface. In this case, we want to install the panels in the middle of the wall. Here you can see how a panel is unpacked. Handle them with care to avoid any damage. If you need to adjust the length of the Akupanels, you will need to cut them with a circular saw. Mark your cutting line and carefully cut the panel into size. Prepare your screws by getting a few ready in the felt. Then position your panel where you measured or where you want to start the installation. Start by screwing the panel in place and ensure that everything is level using a bubble level. Once you have confirmed that it is level, you can start adding more screws. We recommend using 15 screws per panel to ensure a stable installation. Set the right distance between Akupanels. You can use a slat from a color sample. Make sure there is 13mm between the panels as you attach them to the wall. You can also mount the panels using adhesive. Cut the top off the adhesive tube, insert it into the dispenser, and evenly distribute about half of the tube's contents on the back of the Akupanel. Press the panel against the marked area on the wall, and use a level to ensure it is even. Hold the panel against the wall for 30 seconds to ensure optimal adhesion. End lamellas gives your wall a neat finish. In this step, we'll show you how to install them. Each panel has a felt and a slat side. In case your wall ends with a slat side, you will need to cut off the final slat in order to make sure that the panel gets 2 felt sides. Use a craft knife to cut off the last slat if needed. Now place the end lamella on a table or sawhorses. Load your caulking gun with mounting glue. Apply a thin layer of glue to the end lamella, just enough to stick but not ooze out. Carefully place the end lamella on the wall and apply light pressure until it is set. Finally, now that your Akupanels are installed, you can decorate your space. Congratulations, your new wall with Akupanels is now complete.